Hey, curl friends! I am so excited to announce that RobeCurls is officially climate neutral certified. You might be wondering what that means, and if you haven't heard about it before, I would love to explain it while I throw on my curling headband because I haven't done that today. But yes, Climate Neutral is an independent 501c3, so they're a nonprofit organization, and they're working to eliminate greenhouse gas emissions, all those bad things that are harming our environment. They provide a trusted consumer standard that is international for climate neutrality. And we are so excited that RobeCurls is now certified. But what exactly does that mean? Well, that means that when you buy our products, you are buying from a brand that is committed to eliminating carbon emissions. We are fully committed to eliminating carbon emissions. We went through a super lengthy process to get certified and assessed our impact on the planet at every step of our product development. So from where our curling headbands are made, to the design of them, to how they make it to your doorstep. Moving forward, everything we do, it aligns with climate neutral super high standards for protecting our incredibly beautiful planet. If you're interested in seeing any of the other brands you love are taking action and what their action is, you can head over to climateneutral.org and search for them, and you'll see what their carbon neutral commitments are. So I put a link in the description below so you can check that out. And I just wanted to say, to end it all, thank you guys so much for trusting us as a brand. We are so grateful for this community and are committed to making products that you love and that protect our planet. Be sure to subscribe and tick that bell for more updates from RobeCurls. And thanks so much for watching again.